Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you will see the home page. Now tap on device icon to open the device page. And on this page, you should see your Balance 2 watch. And under it, you will see the watch faces and then App Store. We are interested in the App Store, so tap on it. It will open the App Store page. Not this one, this is for the updates. We want to open the App Store itself, so this one. And here you can basically browse different categories, look for something you would like to use on your watch. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on it to select it. For example, let's say I want to install the AMAZ wallet. Then you can tap on install and it will start downloading and installing. And after it's done, it will say installed. And if you go to your watch, open the menu, the icon of the app should appear in the menu right here at the bottom. You can also tap on mine right here at the top of the App Store to check the list of applications installed on your watch. For some reason, wallet is not here. It's on the purchase list. I don't know why. It should be right here, I think. But anyway, you can see it here on the purchase list for sure. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.